In this video, we are going to learn about the aggregate function. Aggregate functions are some of the inbuilt functions that SQL gives you, and you can use this aggregate function to perform some of the calculations on a particular column. We have already used one of the aggregate function, that is count, which returns the number of rows. We can also use sum, which returns the total number of total sum of in a given column. We could use average, that would give you average of a column, and then use max and min to get the maximum and the minimum value in the given column. Now let us look at the syntax. It's pretty simple. You first use the keyword select, then write the aggregate function you want to use, tell which column you want, then from which table. That means select aggregate function, column name from employees. Now let us go to our PG admin and try some examples. We are going to use our film table. So I'm going to write select star from film and I'm going to run it. Here we get the details of all the film that has title, description, release year, language ID, rental duration, rental rate, length and replacement cost. So let us suppose we want to find the minimum value of a replacement cost. Okay, so I'm going to use the min keyword, that is min function, after the select keyword. Use the parenthesis because this is a function, and then write the column name, that is replacement cost, and run it. And then we get the minimum value in the replacement column is 9.99, and when I replace this min with max, I get the maximum replacement cost in that column, which is 29.99. Similarly, I could also get the total sum of the replacement cost, which is $19,984. Similarly, finally, we saw the min max sum. We could also do the average. Now, the average would give you the average replacement cost of the movie. Here we see a lot of zeros, that is 984000. What you could do is you could use the other function by SQL, that is round, which takes two parameters. The first one is the numeric value and second is the number of decimal places you want after the dot. So here average replacement cost gives you is the value that you're passing, and then 2 means the number of decimal place you want. I'm gonna run it and you now get 19.98. You could also make it 4, and when you do that you're going to get 9840, that is 4 decimal place after the point. Now the aggregate functions are very powerful when you use them with the group by clause, and that is what we are going to learn in the next video. See you there.